Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The infidels and polytheists amongst the damned will neither die in hell nor will enjoy the pleasure of life. However, there will be some Muslims who will be doomed to hell because of their sins, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will put them to death and they will get shattered. Later, when the intercession will be permitted, they will be summoned in groups and dipped into the canal of paradise. Then the paradise dwellers will be asked to pour water on them. Owing to it, they will get up as fresh as a seed sprouts from the soil transported by flood water." Hearing it, one of the companions radiyallahu anhum says, "It seems as if Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has lived in a forest." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 458.